I think core values have been on my mind lately, partially because we had Avant's Founders Retreat, and identifying our core values and opening the retreat with why did we start this company was so impactful on how we were looking at the future and our future plans. And then when I visited BQ Denver, which used to be Mile High Bakery, I was thinking about how Mile High Bakery was a family-owned company, and it was acquired by Grupo Bimbo, the largest baking company on the planet. So how was that going to look? A family bakery being acquired by a large bakery. And then it hit me, wait, Grupo Bimbo is also a family-owned bakery. And the conversations I had with the team in Denver, all of the core values for Grupo Bimbo really rose to the surface. And it's a centrifuge for how they run every bakery plant in their system. I talked to so many bakers who say, and we talked about it at BQ Denver, that the values are not just words printed on a piece of paper or framed and hung on a wall. They have to be put into action. You have to put one foot in front of the other. Taking action is how values come to life. And so whether it's how you operate on the plant floor, what drives your purchasing decisions for a piece of equipment, how you choose to automate, it all has to come from who you are and why you started the company and why you decided to make the products you do. When you look at these smaller companies like Jill Bomarito and Ethel's and Sweetfields, an emerging brand, these women started their companies because of the influence that their grandmothers had on them. Consumers don't know their grandmother, but that doesn't mean that they're not going to buy into the values that they have. And their staff may not have known these women who made this impact that triggered the start of the company, but that doesn't mean that those values aren't going to have an impact on them. And so it really does, like, it's this central thread that passes on through generations or through teammates, and it goes all the way to the consumer. When you know why you're here and you know why you're influenced in the way you are, it drives what you're delivering to your end user. You know, I love talking about what makes the commercial baking industry different and different from other industries, and what makes the commercial baking industry special. And the fact that bakers know how to innovate and create new products while staying true to their roots is truly at the heart of that.